Here's how to export a D2L course package for offline storage. From D2L Brightspace homepage, choose a course from the menu items. In this case, I'm going to choose this course. Once you are in the course, you will find on the menu items something labeled Course Admin. It may be under More, or it may be located in another location. Once I am in Course Admin, I'm going to go down to Site Resources and you will see Import, Export, Copy Components. Click that. Once you're here, you will have some options. You could obviously copy from one course to another. You're probably familiar with that. But now I can also choose to export as a Brightspace package or export as a common cartridge. You can read more about what these entail. In most cases though, I would recommend export as common cartridge. This will allow you to re-upload information into another LMS. So if you were to say move from Brightspace to Blackboard, you would be able to re-import that. Of course, if you only have interest in re-importing back into Brightspace, you could choose that one. In essence, you will be getting the same details and information. Do note that it does not export user information. So if you want to retain items like gradebook scores, you will have to export that as itself, and that is in another video. But I'm going to go ahead and click Export as a Common Cartridge. Click Start. I'm going to go ahead and select all components because I want those. Click Continue. Of course, you can export only the items you want. You will click Export, and the export has started. Do note that it'll notify you in the update alerts once it's completed, which is up here. Go ahead and click Done. Now, if I want to re-import a course package, it doesn't matter if it's a Brightspace or a common cartridge, you will click here, Import. You will select from a course package, and you will click Start. You will upload the zip file or cartridge package directly into here, and then click Import All Components if you want everything to be imported. You can choose if you only want certain items, for example, content, but not quizzes, and so on and so forth. And that's pretty much it. It's a pretty simple process. Be sure to save your exports in a secure location. We highly recommend the university's OneDrive system. Thank you.